Repair software usually just gives you a POS system and a customer database. But when you're repairing devices all day, that's not enough. As a repair technician with 10 years of experience, I built and automated the tools I was missing right in my own workshop. FixVault brings it all together. Receipt, a compliant POS system, inventory, invoices, and customer management. It's ready to use in 10 minutes. But above all, it offers something the others don't. 3 integrated professional tools, device diagnostics, phone backups, AI-assisted micro-soldering. Your catalog is ready from day one and expands automatically. AI handles the data entry and makes suggestions. You stay in control, always. FixVault, not just another piece of software, it's your entire workshop. By a repair technician, for repair technicians. Try it for free at fixvault.app.